Yeah. Savior.
Taking Bobsled ride down Matterhorn Mountain. Before you reach the Bobsled ride, please observe the seating.
You look comfortable, Mo. At least you got something to hold on to. I ain't got nothing. Nothing but these sides right here. It feels pointless, yeah. Look, I'm just gonna hold on to this right here. The handle should have been right here.
Right, exactly.
You know what I mean? The handle should have been right here.
Oh, yeah.
For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the bobsled. And be sure to watch your children. Auf Wiedersehen.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tobogán. Y cuide a sus pequeños.
It's over, Mo.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Permanecer sentados, por favor.
Did I lie?
Man, that's worse than Florida Space Mountain. The hell?